Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Dia Prastiwi. I am from Sarjana Wirata Taman Siswa University and I will present the result of classroom Asian Research Journal entitled Application of Problem-Based Learning Model to Improve Indonesian Learning Outcomes for Grade 3B Student of SD Negeri Tahunan Yogyakarta. Background: the result of initial observation in grade 3B SD Negeri Tahunan Yogyakarta found that the learning outcomes in grade 3B are still not optimal. Based on the result of the assessment, it was found that the learning outcomes of Indonesian are still relatively low. This is so in the pre-cycle that has been carried out. Some students have not reached the standard criteria for the completeness of learning objective KKTP. The limit of the Indonesian KKTP score in 75. However, there are students who still have a learning outcome score of 70. Based on this, the research is interested in conduction of classroom action research on the application of the problem-based learning model to improve Indonesian learning outcomes in grade 3B students of SD Negeri Tahunan Yogyakarta. To find out the result of the application of the model, the research conduction student entered application of the problem-based learning model to improve Indonesian learning outcomes for grade 3B student of SDN Negeri Tahunan Yogyakarta. Method: the student as classroom action research with a model proposed by chemist and MC Tagatat, which consists of 4 steps, namely the planning stage, the X stage, the observe stage, and the reflect stage. This research was carried out in 2 cycles, where each cycle consisted of 2 meetings. This research was carried out from July to Augustus in the odd semester of the 2024-2025 school year at SD Negeri Tahunan Yogyakarta. The subject of this student is 29 and student in grade 3B. The data collection which used in the student are interview, tests, and documents. The data analysis technique carried out is quantitative data analysis present technique. Result and discussion in the initial or pre-cycle activity from the pre-test result of student in grade 3B SDN Negeri Tahunan Yogyakarta. As many as 29 students in one class. There were 6 students who successfully activated the KKM score with an average class score of 60.69 and a percent of learning complicated of 60.69% in the first cycle. Post-test has been carried out to determine student learning outcomes. The result of the first cycle increased from the pre-cycle to 12 students who successfully exceeded the KKM score and the average class score in the pre-cycle action, which was initially 60.69 increased to 70.51 in the first cycle with a percent of learning complication of 70.51%. The learning outcomes in the second cycle of 29 students were 23 students who completely activated the KKM score. The average class score in class 2 was 82.7 with a percent of student learning completeness of 82.7% when viewed from the result of activity in cycle 2. All indication of result success have been achieved. So the classroom action result was top in cycle 2. Conclusion: the result of the classroom action research that have been carried out, it can be concluded that the application of the problem-based learning model can improve the Indonesian learning outcomes of students in grade 3B SD Negeri Tahunan Yogyakarta. The result of the research conducted from cycle 1 and cycle 2 showed an increase in learning outcome obtained from each cycle at the time of the physical or before the action was carried out. The average class score was 60.69 with a total of 6 students who activate the KKM score with percent of learning complaints 60.69% at the time after the implementation of the first cycle of action. The average class score was 70.51 with a total of 12 students who meet a KKM score with a percent of learning complete 70.51% 51% in the second cycle. There was a significant increase in the average class score of 82.7 with a total of 23 students who meet the KKM score with the percent of learning completeness 82.7%. This shows that the indicator of the success of the action have been activities. That's all my presence today. If there are any shortcomings, I apologize profusely. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.